In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Wave Accounting. Understanding how to reach out to Wave's customer support efficiently can save you time and help resolve any issues you might encounter with greater ease. Whether you're a small business owner who relies on Wave for accounting needs or just getting familiar with their platform, this video will guide you through the simple steps of contacting their support team. The first thing you need to do is head over to Wave's Help Center. You can do this by typing Wave Accounting Help Center into your favorite search engine, or by going directly to Wave's website and navigating to the Help Center section. Wave has designed this as a comprehensive resource, filled with guides and articles that cover most of the common questions and issues you might have. Once you're on the Help Center page, you'll notice there is an option to submit a request. This is your gateway to contacting their support team directly. So it's an important step. Before you proceed with submitting your request, it's worth taking a quick tour through the Help Center articles. There's a wide range of topics covered, and there's a good chance that you might find the solution you're looking for without needing to wait for a support response. If the articles don't provide the answer you need, you can proceed with submitting your request by clicking on the Submit a Request button. A new form will appear, prompting you to fill in several details that will help their team assist you better. Be as detailed as possible in the description of your issue. Include any specific error messages you've encountered, the steps you've already taken to try to resolve the issue, and any other relevant information like your account details, all without sharing sensitive information, of course. Be sure to enter your name and email address where you want to receive responses. After filling out these details, double-check to ensure everything is correct, and then submit your request. Once your request is sent, you should receive a confirmation email indicating that your issue has been logged and is being processed. While waiting for a response, you might want to continue exploring the Help Center. There might be other resources that could further clarify issues or provide interim fixes as you wait. Remember, responses may take a while, especially during peak times or if they need to escalate your issue to specialists. And there you have it. Contacting Wave Accounting through their Help Center is straightforward once you know where to go and how to properly submit your request. I hope this guide has been helpful, and should any issues arise with your Wave account, you'll now have the knowledge to tackle them efficiently. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more helpful tutorials.